Welcome to our journey in faith. On this episode, we'll be taking a quick trip to Crane, Missouri. We'll be assisting Pastor Tim Sweeney at Crane Bible Baptist Church. If you'll remember, we met Pastor Sweeney while we were volunteering at Amazing Grace Baptist Camp. He gave us a call and asked us to come over and give him a hand. So we drove over, and man, we had a really enjoyable time. We were working in the basement where their Sunday school rooms are at and the nursery's at, and it's basically the perimeter walls are cinder concrete block. So we framed those in and started hanging drywall, and we rebuilt a wall a short wall that separates the infant nursery and the toddler area. And man, we really appreciate those folks at Crane and hope to serve them again sometime in the future. I hope you enjoy this episode.
What are you doing?
Oh, there's staples here.
There's what?
Staples. Ransack, baby.
Whoa. Oh, that was on video. Oh.
Supposed to do the porch top. Okay.
Nice to make you work.
Oh no, put everything 3 times.
I'm a lefty, so I gotta do everything backwards, you know?
We really need to get you ambidextrous.
Yeah, Josh.
No, I don't like breathing water.
Go ahead and set yours up on that 2.
That's amphibious.
One more. Come without hurting. Look at that.
Oh yeah, no, I'm dead on level, so. I thought I did that.
Maranatha.